iPhone 8 Teardown Repair Guide. Warning: you're performing this repair at your own risk. We claim no responsibility for any damages that might occur. To perform this DIY repair, you'll need a plastic triangle opening tool, nylon spudger, SIM card ejection tool, fine tip curved tweezers, precision knife set, flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, iPhone pentalobe screwdriver, tri-point screwdriver. Power down your iPhone 8. Eject the nano SIM card tray. Remove the two bottom 3.4mm pentalobe screws located next to the lightning connector. Apply some heat and then use a precision knife to create enough space to insert a triangle opening tool. With the opening tool, slice through the adhesive and carefully decouple the iPhone 8 display assembly from the rear case. Just like the iPhone 7, it opens to the side. The display assembly is still connected to the iPhone by cables along the middle right side, so don't try to remove it entirely just yet. Remove the following 4 Phillips screws, securing the bracket that covers the battery, display, and home button cables. These screws are different sizes, so be sure to remember where they go. With the bracket out of the way, pry the cables up from the logic board. Remove the following 3 Phillips screws that secure the bracket covering the upper component display cable. Disconnect the cable and free the iPhone 8 display assembly from the phone. Remove the following 6 Phillips screws, followed by the metal clip they secure in place. Easily extract the stereo-enabling speaker. Use the spudger to help remove the tangled-up iPhone 8 front-facing camera assembly. It includes a 7-megapixel front-facing camera, microphone proximity sensor, and ambient light sensor. Remove the following 4 tri-point screws and metal bracket. Separating the solid-state iPhone 8 home button is simple, with only light adhesive on the cable and no delicate gasket. Remove the following 6 tri-point screws. Use a spudger to release the adhesive from beneath the bottom of the iPhone 8 LCD shield plate. Locate the 4 peel-to-remove adhesive tabs, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom of the iPhone 8 battery. Grab the first tab and try to keep the adhesive strip flat and wide. Slowly and gently pull each strip up and away from the iPhone 8. Keep pulling until they come out. from between the battery and the rear case. With the adhesive removed, the 1821 mAh iPhone 8 battery springs free effortlessly. Remove the falling Phillips screw and standoff screw. Remove the protective metal cover. With the spudger in hand, detach the 12-megapixel iPhone 8 rear-facing camera and pry it out of the chassis. Before digging the iPhone 8 logic board out of the rear case, it is necessary to attack a bevy of Phillips screws and standoff screws. Dispatch of a few connectors and remove portions of the antenna assembly, most notably the antenna flex cable, which acts as a bridge between antenna pathways and the top left Wi-Fi antenna. After taking care of the last three connectors and standoff screw, carefully uproot the iPhone 8 logic board out of the rear case. Remove the following tri-point screw and 4 Phillips screws. Remove the metal bracket and then eradicate the iPhone 8 loudspeaker. Detach the small interconnect cable and Taptic engine from the iPhone 8 Lightning connector assembly. Remove the following standoff screw and Phillips screw, and then extract the iPhone 8 Taptic engine. This sleek engine uses haptic feedback to simulate the push of a button. Remove the following 2 Phillips screws and then tweeze out the barometric vent. Remove the following 5 Phillips screws. These screws are different sizes, so be sure to remember where they go. The iPhone 8 Lightning connector assembly is moderately adhered to the rear case, but with a little help from the spudger, it is readily removed. This everything cable includes the Lightning port, an antenna, and 2 microphones. Extract the antenna flex cable, which acts as a bridge between antenna pathways. Remove the standoff screw and small bracket. Remove the following 5 Phillips screws. The last component to surrender is a cable array that contains the power and volume button switches, LED flash, a microphone, and the ring/silent switch. The iPhone 8 power and volume buttons are nuzzled securely in the rear case, defying conventional removal.